Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your custom domain with Framer. So basically Framer is a no code or low code website builder, and currently you can see my domain is wasazmedia.framer.website and I need to change it with my actual domain. So let me show you. First of all, I should tell you that you can only connect your domain if you are on a paid plan. If you are on a free plan, then you cannot connect your custom domain. Now you're simply going to open your Framer project, click on the settings icon. From here on the left, click on domains. It will show you your custom domain, and currently you can see I am on the basic plan, which means I am on a paid plan. In order to connect your custom domain, under custom, click on these three dots, remove domain, remove, and now click on the option connect an existing domain. Enter your purchased domain name, check mark it, and here it will show you some DNS records which you need to add in your domain settings. So it will depend on from which domain provider you have purchased your domain. I have purchased it from Namecheap. Here I have signed in to my Namecheap account. On the left, click on domain list. From the domain list, select your domain and click on manage. Click on advanced DNS, and you're going to go back to Framer and you need to add these records in your domain settings. First of all, if you already have a CNAME record with the host www, you can edit it like this. TTL will be automatic and save changes. Add new record, a record, host will be at the rate, and enter the IP that you just copied. After that, click on refresh. Okay, we need to add this record, and once I refresh it again, you can see the status is ready, which means that we have successfully connected our custom domain to Framer. After that, click on publish. That is very important. You can see pre-optimizing website is published and being pre-optimized, and now it's done. Changes may take up to 48 hours. So if you don't see it instantly, just wait for 1 to 2 days. And now after like 5 to 10 minutes, when I refreshed and went to my domain, you can see my site has been published. So Framer has successfully connected to our custom domain. So yeah guys, this is how you can connect your custom domain with Framer. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.